Well, we're in possession, all right.
The 10th-ranked Iowa Western women tackle number 8 Indian Hill. The home team, 5 shots in the first at 11 overall. Quincy Smith on goal. The Reivers up 1-0 in the 29th minute. Corner kick. And it's in. 2-0 Iowa Western at the break. Second half, Evelyn Soto with the through ball, and it just rolls right in. 3-0, Big Blue. The Reivers just keep up the pressure. Iowa Western outguts the Hills 3-1.
Good performances all around. I mean, some of the season best performances around. I thought Izzy was fantastic in the middle. A little bit different position for her, even though it's central in midfield, but some good goals.
I think a few weeks ago we played as individuals and kind of, I don't want to say selfish, but we all wanted that final goal. We all wanted to play for ourselves and for who we were last year, and I think it's about getting our new identity, and I think we're starting to find it.
100%, we are working a lot in the chemistry. We are doing a lot of team activities just for this, and I think it's not just chemistry on a team. I think it's getting more like a family.
It's always in their half.
That's a good team, and these guys have shown that they'll rise to the level of playing the best teams, and so kind of step 1 down, step 2 will be here in a couple weeks.
But first, 3 days later, the Reivers knock off Western Wyoming 5-2. Big Blue now 9-1-5.
You just gotta get after it, right? And you guys got after it.